Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting together side by side for financial freedom. Let's go ahead and take another quick look here at the ZEBEC price, as we have got a very much excited market. We have, of course, been talking time and again about the ZEBEC price going for this final parabolic run that you see XLM doing back in 2017. And we have taken a look at the ZEBEC price, saying that they are very much similar, and we could also be seeing the ZEBEC price go for a very, very exciting period here in time. So I'm going to be showing you the latest developments on the chart, and we will talk obviously about price targets and stuff like that. But I think at this point, if you are somebody who has been watching markets, it's very much easy to realize that it's all systems go, especially when it comes to the ZEBEC price. The sky is going to be the limit, right? Before I start, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video by delicately tapping the like button. It will tell the YouTube algorithm that yes, this video is going to be short and straight to the point, but it is exactly what you need, and it's still very much relevant. If you're new to the channel and you're looking for these regular updates here on ZEBEC, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel, because I do this almost on a daily basis. So let's just get right into it. I have talked about the similarities here, but if I may just reiterate some of the things here, what we have been talking about is this Wyckoff accumulation pattern that you see Stellar Lumens doing back in 2015, 2016. And when we come to the present price action here of ZEBEC, we have pretty much the same thing. Obviously, you set your low, you blast out of that here, back test the previous resistance now as support, and it was pretty much the same thing. Bull flag here, bull flag right there. And the missing part here for ZEBEC, obviously, as you can see with Stellar Lumens here, is the parabolic one. So, definitely fingers crossed here. This is the only thing that is missing, and that may actually translate to a lot of people, eventually retiring, because ZEBEC would have hit some specific price targets right there. So that is looking great. In terms of our price targets, I think we're very much clear that 2.5 cents is a very good price target, and then 5 cents is also one that we have been looking at. And at best, for now, for me at least, we are looking at a price target of right around 10 cents here for ZEBEC. Let me also quickly show you how we were coming up with those price targets. We were taking reference of our Fibonacci retracement 2 from the very top right there of this correction before the whole thing blast out, and we were seeing that Stellar Lumens exceeded the maximum Fibonacci scale that you can have right there by right around like 250%. If ZEBEC is to do something closer to that, what we are doing once again is take our Fibonacci scale from the very top until the bottom here. We are seeing that the maximum is right around 2.5 cents. So this is almost a guarantee for me. Definitely there is going to be some taking profit that happens at 2.5 cents there, but should we get lucky and we repeat what Stellar Lumens did back then from this point up until where it ended right around like 200, 220, 250%, whatever the case may be, I think we're now looking at ZEBEC going towards like 5 cents, 10 cents that about, and obviously we would have to wait and see where the whole thing eventually takes us out. But I think it's very much of a safe bet to say 2.5 cents as an area to take most of the profits right there. But let's go ahead and take a look at other things that are outside of the ZEBEC price, and this is the Bitcoin dominance. This one actually is indicating very much positive news here, because what you have seen in the past is that when we lose support, we tend to go down almost in a straight line. And good news, everybody, we are breaking all support levels here for the Bitcoin dominance, and we are looking like we're in a free fall at this point, which means altcoins are just going to be doing a fantastic job altogether. So that has been the case in the 2021 bull cycle, and we can go as far back as 2017. That was also the same case. So we have got all the conditions that we have needed for big pumps to happen in this market. I mean, we can also take a look at the Ethereum price set, and it has officially set a new all-time high. We're looking at $8,000, $11,000, $17,000 at best. But just imagine how big the crypto market is going to be when we get there. So this is why I'm also very much bullish on ZEBEC, because I understand that ZEBEC is still part and parcel of this market, and it's just going to be as bullish as everything else. Over the last few days, I've also been talking to you about this falling wedge here, saying that these falling wedges are very much bullish patterns, and they happen to hit the top of the wedge as their price target. So immediate short term here for ZEBEC, we are looking at right around 0.006 them about. I think it's a good price target. However, we would have also formed a very bullish pattern if we achieve something like that. Let me just indicate that to you real quick, and that would actually be a cup and handle formation. So if I may just show you from this range, and if we also manage to see the price get back to right around like 0.006, which I was saying is the technical price target of that falling wedge, we will now have formed a cup and handle formation, which is another bullish pattern by this. So you can see that it's bullish momentum on top of other bullish momentum. So we're looking quite great right there. A technical price target of that would also be, I think, above of 100%, right? So that's something like 160%. And if we want to put it in the dollar valuation, we are looking at right around 1.7 cents thereabout. I think it's also a great price target, but the 2.5 cents is somewhere which I see the price go ahead and hit very much strongly. I want to thank you so much for watching the video. If you could, please delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and I'll see you on the next one. Take really good care of yourselves. Bye bye.